Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys why your engine is not starting after it overheated. If your engine was overheating while driving and you barely made it home when the engine was overheating and you turn off your engine and the next morning when you try to start your vehicle and your engine won't start, the first common reason why your engine's not starting is because you blew your head gasket. You're probably wondering, how did you make it home if you have a blown head gasket? And the answer is very simple. When the engine is hot, the cylinder head and the engine blocks, metal, start to expand, and it's going to cause a tighter seal. Even though you have a blown head gasket, it's still going to partially seal. And when the engine cools down, metal starts to contract, and there's going to be a bigger gap between the engine block and the cylinder head, and you're going to notice little to no compression. Here are some signs that you know that you blew your head gasket. The first sign is your engine cranks way too fast when trying to start it. When the engine cranks way too fast, that means there's little to no compression, and that means your engine is able to spin more freely without resistance. The next sign that you know that you blew your head gasket is when the engine is cold and you remove the radiator cap and you hear a gush of noise escaping from the radiator neck area. That means combustion is leaking into the cooling system. The next sign that you know that you blew your head gasket is when you remove the engine oil cap and it looks like there's chocolate pudding on it. That means engine oil and coolant are mixing together, and that's how you know you blew your head gasket. The next common reason why your engine is not starting after it overheated is because maybe something is interfering with the crankshaft position sensor. For example, you could have a leaky water pump, and when the water pump is leaking hot coolant, the hot coolant can drip onto the crankshaft position sensor and damage it, and this will definitely cause a no start when trying to start your engine. The next common reason why your engine is not starting after it overheated is because maybe your ignition coil melted. For example, if you drive your vehicle when the engine is so hot and you just keep on driving and driving for many miles, there's a good chance the rubber boot on the ignition coil melted, and this will definitely cause voltage leakage. If you try to start your engine and your engine won't start, there's a good chance that the spark plug is not receiving power and you're having no spark. So try removing your ignition coil. If you have a hard time removing your ignition coil, that means your ignition coil is stuck and it's melted. And that's how you know your ignition coil is contributing to a no start after your engine overheated. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.